Hey there, folks. This is Corinna Daninger's assistant Lexi here. Corinna is your go-to luxury realtor broker associate with eXp Realty. If you're sitting on a luxury property here in Cocoa Beach and thinking of cashing in, well, you're in the right place at the right time. Let me give you 10 unbeatable reasons why partnering with me and eXp Realty is your ticket to top dollar for your home right now. First, Corinna knows Cocoa Beach like the back of her hand. She has been selling in Brevard County, Florida for over a decade. You need someone who understands the local luxury market, and that's her. 2. Experience matters. With over 30 years in sales, marketing, and entrepreneurship, Corinna brings an unparalleled depth of knowledge to the table. Third, Corinna leverages the latest technology, including AI, to keep you ahead of the game. It's not just about listings, it's about smart listings. 4. Corinna has an exclusive network of high-end buyers, both domestic and international. Your property won't just sit there, it will be actively marketed. 5th, communication is key. With Corinna, you'll never be in the dark. She makes everyone she works with feel comfortable and well-informed every step of the way. 6th, Corinna leads a team of industry-leading professionals. Think of it as an all-star cast dedicated to selling your home, the Lotus Group. 7. Corinna offers a personalized marketing strategy that incorporates virtual tours, high-res photos, and targeted social media ads, making sure your property stands out. 8. Corinna has a reputation for getting clients to closing fast and hassle-free. Time is money, and she aims to save you both. 9. She is recognized as a trusted advisor in the field. With Corinna, what you see is what you get, plus a lot more you didn't even know you needed. And 10th, eXp Realty offers a cloud-based ecosystem that enables me to serve you better, faster, and with more flexibility than ever before. So, if you're ready to get top dollar for your luxury Cocoa Beach property, Corinna is just a call away. Let's make your real estate dreams come true today. Don't wait. Call Corinna now. 321-693-2482.